For most people who believe in God or some kind of monotheistic deity, they will just say that the universe was created by God. This is called Yi Yin Yuan Lun, which means a single cause. You attribute the universe to a single cause, which is God. Of course, then the question will come, where did this God come from? And then there is another complicated story. So Buddhism does not believe in Yi Yin Yuan Lun. Okay, Buddhism teaches Zhong Yin Yuan Lun, which means multiple causal factors, an infinite variety of causal factors. Yi Yin Yuan Lun, if you just say that there's only one cause, it's actually quite a simplistic kind of answer. Okay, give you an example. This is a Seiko wristwatch. Okay, so if you ask who made this watch, you can just say the person who made the watch, the team of engineers who made the watch, or you can just say Seiko company made this watch. Okay, but then if you look deeper, you'll find that the causal factors which cause this watch to exist is infinite. Okay, it's more than just one cause. Okay, there's the whole concept of time, which comes from history and culture. There's the whole history of wristwatches. Last time, wristwatches were considered feminine, and then because of war, wristwatches became very practical because you needed to synchronize attacks. And then so that is another causal factor. And then what about the materials, the cloth, the metals? All these came from so many different places, and then you have the people who made this Seiko company possible, and so on and so forth. You cannot pinpoint one single cause for this wristwatch to exist. So similarly, Zhong Yin Yuan Lun means you cannot pinpoint one single cause for this universe to exist. There is multiple and infinite multiple number of causes stretching to beginless time. So perhaps some people may not be able to accept this. They think that the universe must start from a fixed point in time. But then the Buddhist imagination goes beyond that to say that there doesn't need to be a beginning one. Just like what's the first negative number? It stretches on and on to infinity. And what's the last positive number? It stretches on and on to infinity. So this is a sort of introduction to the Buddhism's 重因缘论。